guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Shades of my day. So I'll be giving you a quick run through as usual on how I got this particular flyer. So let me switch off all the layers first. It will be a very quick tutorial. Very simple. Oh, sorry. Very simple tutorial. Elements, simple. Oh, sorry. Switch this off. Now from the beginning, yes. So as you can see, sorry, switch everything off. So I'll be explaining them to you one by one. You can, however, walk around everything. So what I did first was to bring in a background. The background is a picture. So you can see if I switch off this gaussian blur, you can see it's a graffiti background. So I added gaussian blur to it, and you should know as usual that in all my videos I had gaussian blur effect to it, to my designs. So what I did was to come to my filter here, blur, my gaussian blur. You get anyone you want, so you can try to use any radius that you want. Now as you can see, this image here, I had worked extensively on it using camera raw. I got this image online, so you can come to my camera raw, you will see how I got this. Sorry, it's loading. It's a very straightforward design. It's very straightforward. You can see I use contrast as 55, texture as 64, clarity at 30. Then for the details, okay, I didn't add any details to it, so I clicked OK. So I brought this image here. So as you should also know, in most of my videos I had this light flare to my designs, to my work. I had light flares to my designs. So what I did next was to create my flare as usual. And you should know how to create flare. You can go above or below any image. You come to your new layer here, your foreground color, you check if it's what you want. So you can try to, let's say, pick any color you want. You can try to pick your pink. Now on your keyboard, press B for brush. You can see you tap once to Z. So you can try to use any kind of brush you want. You can increase, expand, reduce anyone. You now come to your linear dodge. You can see the background is brightened. So let's put this image above these phones first. Let's see how it will look like. You can see, but you can see that it's too bright here. The contrast is too much. So I'm just trying to teach you how I got this design. It's very simple and straightforward. You can even use lighting, you can use screen, you can use overlay, different kind of settings here just to blend in your image. You understand what I'm saying, sir? So let me continue by explaining how I got them. So as you can see, let me explain this one to you. What I did here was to you can create a new layer like this too. Let me switch this off. Like this, you can come to your gradient tool with your foreground color set to black. You can gently brush like this. Oh, sorry, it's too much. Gently brush like this. You can brush like this, simple. You can walk around it. You can reduce the opacity, to your preference. You can see it's almost the same thing as this one. It's very, very simple. So that was how I got this part. So let me switch off let me on the adjustment layers too. So it's very, very simple. So what I did next again was to let me switch off this. As you can see, this particular layer here, you can see it's color green. So what I did, color blue rather. So what I did was to create a new layer, add solid color, and create clipping mask for my solid color. Let me show what I did here. Let me create a new layer like this. You can see create clipping mask, then solid color. Let's tap on any color we want to do. Color. Let's try this. Now change the blend mode to color. Very simple. But for this I used, you can see this color here, I used AA419F. Let me show you I got this AA419F. Simple. That was how I got it. Then I added a Gaussian blur effect to it. See, Gaussian blur. But sorry for this, I actually did something online, so it changed the language. But this is gradient overlay. So I got this. Then for the text, let me finish with the text here. For the text, how I got it was, you come to your effects. You can see stroke here. I used color white outside 16. Then bevel and emboss, I used inner bevel depth 11, size 7, and soften 0, opacity 50, opacity 50 for each of these. So you can follow these settings like there. Follow these settings. Then you add these settings to this other color, to this pink too, to get this particular stuff. So but the font I used, let me share the font. I used Sugar Bomb. The font Sugar Bomb. Now for this butterfly, I downloaded a pink butterfly, a pink and black butterfly, and I added Gaussian blur to this effect, and I also added motion blur to this one. So it's very simple and straightforward. So you can actually go through it and let me know what you think. Is it okay? Like, what don't you understand from the video? You can come in the comment section and then share your thoughts. So it's very simple and straightforward. You can use this file for any of your designs, to work perfectly well. It's easy and straightforward. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you.